Hello everybody and welcome in another update video on my ecosystem in the bottle. I would like to thank Ben L who posted me comment that I didn't do any update video in a while, so I am doing it now. So thank you Ben again, and this is it. It's almost the same, difference is only this tape because I put it here because my friend who was visiting me asked what's inside and they tried to open it, so I stopped them just at a moment and I put it sellotape to prevent any other person to open this bottle. This is looking like this. Today is 17th of August 2016 and it's been 11 days and 5 months, so it's been something over 5 months inside. I didn't open it. No water inside, no air inside. It's like this since I first put it in. The plant is a little bit bigger, so it grew up. I don't know where to put it to show you how it looks. So I don't know if you can see here. There are roots going down, so as there is 100% humidity, roots are growing everywhere, but they are small root and the plant is growing very slowly. I don't know what's going on inside, but it's growing really slowly. Roots are coming slowly down and roots in the soil is not growing too much. There is only few roots here and here, and here on this side, as is light coming in, it's creating some sort of green stuff. So I don't know, maybe I should turn it sometime, but it's doing really well. I have been busy, so I didn't have time for doing a lot of videos. So this is excellent plant for me because it's just sitting here and don't require any care or something like that. So it's really good for me. I am very happy about it. I am going to leave it for, I don't know for how long, I will see. And hopefully in half a year I will post another update video or something like that. If you will be interested, you can comment, post me a comment and I will do update video again. So that's looking like this. Please feel free to comment or put your experience if you tried it with another plant, if it's working or not. I hope that other persons would like to share the idea as well. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and have a nice day.